Good morning student and welcome to my English class. Student, as you know, your final exams are going to start from March, 1st of March. So today I will explain you what type of question will come in your exams. Okay, in Hindi, English literature I explain you and I given it in your worksheet also. Now today I will explain you about English language. What type of questions will come in your exams. Okay, and how you have to solve your questions. Okay, now so please watch the video very carefully. Now your question first for this worksheet. Your question first is change the following sentences. It means you have to change the following sentence indicated as in brackets, and there are brackets, and in brackets the question there is indicate you in which tense you have to change the sentence. Okay, your first sentence is postman brings letters for me, past tense. It means this sentence, postman brings letters for me. This sentence you have to change into past tense, because this is your in present tense. This sentence is in present tense. Here this is the first form of the verb. Bring is the first form of the verb, and you have to change it into past tense. And in past we use second form of the verb. Understand what we use? We use second form of the verb. So you have to change this verb only. Postman brings letter for me, and you have to write postman, then in place of brings you have to write second form of the verb. Postman bought letters for me. Understand? Now second, Rohan bought a car. Present tense. This is your bought, second form of this brings. Okay, so in place of this brought you have to write here brings. This one brings will come here. Rohan brings a car. It is your present tense. Okay, to change the sentences from past to present and present to past, you have to learn your forms of verbs. Now third, horse runs very fast. This is your present continuous. con dot means continuous. Present continuous tense. Horse runs. This runs is your, what is it? It is your verb. And this horse is your singular. So you have to write horse is run verb. In present continuous we add ing with verb. This is your verb run. So we will write here running. Horse is running. running is running very fast. This is your continuous. And this one, Rohan brings, because it is singular, so we will write here as with verb. Brings a car. It is your present tense. So you have to solve your paper this way. You have to write only answers. No need to note down this question, this and this. Postman brings letters for me. Postman Second form of the verb, brought letter, brought letters for me. Okay, now next. Your next question is rewrite the following. Rewrite means you have to write the full statement again. Understand? You have to write the full statement again. This is the meaning of rewrite. Means दोबारा लिखो. Rewrite the following sentences changing from plural to singular. You have to change the plural words into singular. First you have to find out which word are plural. Here woman, this is your plural. Clothes, this is your plural. So you have to change only these words into singular, and other words you have to write same. The woman, change it into singular. WOUMAN, man. Woman means one woman, and woman means many women. Okay, here is difference of woman, A and E. In singular it A comes and plural E. Washed, then write down washed. Then the, it is clothes na, it is plural na, so we will remove the S from the spelling of cloth. Understand? Now again, Rita cut the apples with the knives. Here are two plurals, apples and knives. Both are plurals. You have to write in its singular. Rita cut the apple with, apple is the singular of apples. Now what is the singular of knives? Knife, 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 and knives is the plural. So now you can see I change only plurals. So this way you have to do this type of questions. Understand? Now third type of question, rewrite the following sentences changing the nouns from feminine to masculine. You have to change the feminine sentence words into masculine. Now first you have to find out the which which noun is in feminine. Here the princess feminine of Golconda is an actress. Actress is again feminine word. So you have to write it into its masculine. Masculine is prince, princess, prince of Golconda is an actor. Actor is the masculine of actress. Understand? The princess of Golconda is an actress. Now I change, the prince of Golconda is an actor. So this way you have to solve this question. Understand? After this, second sentence, this woman is a good lady. Here woman is a feminine word and lady is also a feminine word. So what we have to do? We have to do change it into masculine according to our question. So we will write here this. Woman, man is a good lady, gentleman. Okay, gentleman is the masculine of lady. Understand? Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with has, have. You have to fill these sentence with has and have. She is singular. We use for girl. She many beautiful flowers in her garden. So what we have to use with singular, we use has. She has many beautiful flowers in her garden. Okay, with singular we always use has. Now here number 2. Tigers dash sharp teeth to eat flesh. Tigers. This word tigers is your singular or plural? It is plural na? So we have to write here have. With plurals we use have. Tigers have sharp teeth to eat flesh. Okay. Now 5th type of question. Identify adjectives in the following sentences and write its kind. You have to find out the kinds of adjectives. First you have to find out adjective, then you have to write its kind. Okay. Now look at here. Elephant is a big animal. Now which word is adjective in this sentence? What is an adjective? Adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. So which word is qualifying elephant? This word, big. This big is adjective of elephant, big size है ना. Elephant is a big animal. So we will write here big. Big is your adjective. Now according to question you have to write its kinds. You have to write its kinds also. Big is the adjective of quality. Understand? You have to write both things. Big adjective and its kind, both. Okay. Now those boys are playing football in the ground. Now which word is adjective? Anybody can tell me? Adjective. Those boys are playing football in the ground. This word, those, this is your adjective. Okay. What is it? It is your adjective those. So first we will write adjective. THOSE, those. Now we will write its kind. It is a demonstrative adjective. Which adjective is this? Demonstrative. It is your demonstrative adjectives. Understand? Now next type of question is this. Join these pairs of sentences using appropriate conjunction. In my last June class I explained this conjunction. Now again I am explaining your conjunction. Cats can climb trees. Full stop. Dogs can't. Cats can climb trees. Dogs can't. One is positive and one is negative sentence. This is your positive sentence. Cats can climb and dogs cannot climb on the tree. तो दिस इज योर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. तो वी यूज but conjunction to join this type of sentence. Cats can climb trees, but dogs can't. Okay, now I can't speak in French. I can't speak in French. I am an Indian. I am an Indian. He is giving reason. In this is the sentence and this is the reason. I am Indian. So which conjunction we have to use? I can't speak in French. Because I am Indian. I am Indian. I can't speak French. I am Indian. I cannot speak French because I am Indian. This is the right conjunction, because. And here this but. Okay. Now this way you will solve your test paper of annual exam. And as you know, there are paragraph writing, comprehension and picture composition, letter writing are also there. So you have to do the practice of these things: letter, paragraph writing, composition and comprehension also. Okay, so thank you dear student for watching the video. Now I will meet with you in our Zoom class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.